Hello and welcome, new and old subscribers. If you are a visitor, subscribe now. And if this is your first time, I'm thrilled that you're here. Let's get this Dollar Tree haul started. Yes, we'll start off with the Pompeys. I think that's how you pronounce them. They're gorgeous. I believe a time before they had bigger ones that were more than $1.25, but these are $1.25. And look at all these gorgeous Christmas centerpiece type flowers with the berries. The poinsettia is more of like a burgundy-ish, and the pink pine cones and berries. Gorgeous. Yes. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then they have the sun with just all the berries. So you can see right there. Some gold, white, teal. And then kitchen accessories. We have the pot holders. There's 2 in each. And this one says, have yourself a merry little Christmas. And more wishes. This nice matching kitchen towels as well. So they even have the blue shade, the green, and the red for you to do it. And then they have plastic tablecloths with the poinsettias, snowflakes, kind of a seasonal striped flat snowman. And they've only seen this one pillowcase. I know it's not new, but I didn't see any of the other ones. These gorgeous matching napkins, paper plates, cheer pads. We have spa luxury. We have 3 different scents. We have a candle apple. These are mineral bath salts. This one is peach berry. And the last one is vanilla bean. Yes, so 3 different scents for you to enjoy or pick from. Then we have the vanilla bean and candy apple exfoliating foot mask. It's 1 pair. I didn't see any other scents. I just seen these 2 particular scents, the vanilla bean and is it candy apple candy? I know, I'm sorry. Candy apple, yes. Oh, here's one, the vanilla bean right in the corner. I overlooked it, so they have all 3. Another item by Spa Luxury. We have hydrating hand cream. We have raspberry mimosa and peach bellinini scent hand creams. 1.4 fluid ounces. Great to go in a gift basket. We have Merry and Bright coloring book. Great little stocking stuffer, or just a project with your children, or if you're one of those adults that love to color, it's great for that person or yourself. Look at the teddy bear. Awesome. Oops. Well, I just wanted to show you a few pages of the Merry and Bright. We have a sketch pad, 64 pieces, and it says easy tear out pages. And I will show you inside how it has pages that easily tear out. Perfect for drawing, sketching. Ideal for dry media. Great little gift. By Crafter Square, we have these diamond painting sheets. The first one is this beautiful butterfly. And then parrots. There's 2 gorgeous colors. And number 3, we have this beautiful flower in a pot to go along with it. And yes, great little gift. Another one of the Power Stick. This one, All Day Fresh Body Spray Intensity. So the 3.5 bonus size. Yes, we have the Pillsbury Gingerbread Cookie Mix. Makes 12 cookies. This is the season for gingerbread, especially Christmas time. And then we have this awesome by Funfetti, the Elf on the Shelf hot cocoa cookie mix. Really, Elf on a Shelf. Is that still popular? But you can always make the cookies. We have risotto rice with cheese made within 15 minutes. And these are the nutritional facts and the cooking instructions. If you try it, let me know. Skittles. This is wild berry Skittles drink, flavored drink, and they have wild berry, and that's wild berry too. Yes, they're two different colors, but they're the same. And tropical Skittles in the blue. I noticed the purple one's one a little lighter, one a little darker. I don't know if it's any significant difference. Essential multi-use trash bags. It's white, great for travel, bedside, kitchen, tear and stick, 10 bags, large, great item. Then we have this oven cleaner. It is a big, huge size of oven cleaner. It is 40 fluid ounces, heavy duty, LA totally awesome, tough on grease. We have hair clips, 2-piece, happy face. One's black and white, the other one's white and black. So opposites. And then we have another set of hair clips, and these are white and purple, and it's a 2-piece as well. Slightly different style of hair clip, but basically the same. Plush throw blankets for $1.25. This was in like the baby section, and they are 40 or 30 inches by 40 inches. So they're not large. They're just a nice little throw blanket. You know, if you want to throw it on the bed or on the floor, on the sofa, that kind of thing. Or even if your feet are always cold, just throw it on your feet. All these different colors. The only solid colors they had was the gray and blue ones. This is bright and brilliant aesthetic wall collage kit. 30 posters, 30 sheets, 4 by 6 inches, and you can see the different pictures and color kits. Well, if you like to drink, Dollar Tree has those items for you too. This is free range red, and the purple is semi-sweet, some kind of blend. And then they have, was this the Chardonnay? Yes, the Chardonnay. So if you want to drink, $1.25 for a whole bottle. Now it's time for our Dollar Plus section. It may include 1, 2, or even more Dollar Plus items for you to enjoy. We have all these different types of slippers for $5. Great little gift, or just indoor slippers just around the house to keep your feel nice and toasty. And these are socks with a little rubber on the bottom so you won't slip inside. And this one has a little fur in the inside. And see all the different ones for you to choose from. Last but not least, we have this table decor. It is like a wrap present. I remember, I don't know if it was last year or the year before, it was really popular. A lot of people were doing the DIY table decor, the presents. Now you can just buy it for $5, so it's totally up to you. Well, everyone, this is all I have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Like I always say, be blessed until next time and be better than yesterday.